France, two of the game's all-time greats compete again for the coveted Grand Slam title, the championship of the French Open. And here they are for the 1985 title, a rematch of last year's final. Champion Martina Navratilova and Chris Evert Lloyd. The 28-year-old Navratilova is in quest of a rare triple this weekend, trying to win the singles, doubles, and the mix. It's been 21 years since Margaret Court won all three. Chris Evert Lloyd trying to establish a new women's record. A win today would give the 30-year-old Floridian her sixth French singles title, a new mark. The game's two best of this era, each with a chance today to further establish herself as one of the greatest in her sport. Last year, Navratilova at match point completed a rare 4 straight Grand Slam championships with an impressive win against Evert Lloyd, who was crushed under the solid shot-making of Navratilova in the near court. No matter how precise Chris's shots, Martina's were as good or better. It would be only the fourth time in an 11-year span that Evert Lloyd would be beaten on the red clay of Roland Garros. And there was no doubt as to who was best. Navratilova 6-3, 6-1, and $1 million bonus for 4 slams in a row. So, with one of the world's giant monuments as a backdrop, it's Navratilova and Evert Lloyd, two champions, rivals, and friends in a major duel on the terre battue of Roland Garros. The winner today claims not only the 1985 French Championship, but an opportunity to etch a stronger place in the all-time history of greatness in her sport. The wind could well be a factor. Unpredictable, and when it blows, it gusts strongly. Martina. She has overwhelmed the women's game in the last 3.5 years. You can count all her losses on 2 hands. Over 300 matches since January '82. Martina has been beaten but 8 times.
Yesterday.
Good play made by Chris. That ball was skidding off the line, and a perfect lob. 15-30. 13 years as a pro, she's lost only 11 times on a clay surface court. Double break point right off the bat for Martina Navratilova.
Hey, look who's up there.
And a nice stretch volley for Chris. Had a race's 1 break chance.
I think she realizes that she's going to have to do more than just play baseline against Martina.
Advantage for Chris. Well, to show you how these two women have dominated the big championships, this will be the 14th straight time that either Navratilova or Evert Lloyd has won a Grand Slam championship. Have to go all the way back to 1981, the U.S. Open. Tracy Austin was the outsider to win, to break this monopoly. Martina went on to win 6 consecutive Grand Slams before Chris took the Australian Open last December. Right in the corner. So a break point for Chris Evert Lloyd. She's got it. An early break for Chris Evert Lloyd. She leads in the first set, 2-love.
Revers frappé, légèrement lifté de manière...
Zéro. Mademoiselle Navratilova, Madame Eva Floyd mène 3-1, premier set.
Montée à contre-temps de Martina Navratilova, c'est à... Voilà.
Et Martina le sent fort bien. Elle voulait gagner ce service de manière à recoller au score.
Mademoiselle Navratilova.
Partout dans cette première manche.
Formidable.
Madame Eva Floyd.
Un ace sur la deuxième balle.
40-15.
Et ce sont 2 balles de 7 maintenant en faveur de Chris Evert-Lloyd. Quelle longueur de balle chez Chris Evert-Lloyd qui donc remporte ce premier set en 43 minutes sur le score de 6 jeux à 3.
Sous une ovation extraordinaire qu'elle mérite bien. Et il faut le répéter, Chris Evert-Lloyd pour l'instant joue tactiquement mieux que son adversaire. Elle s'adapte mieux à ce vent qui souffle.
une précision diabolique. Elle a réussi tout ce qu'elle entreprend, Chris Evert-Lloyd, et d'entrée. Elle subtilise le service à Martina Navratilova qui pourtant menait 40-0.
Super Ballwechsel.
C'est fantastique.
Exceptionnel. Passing shot de cette joueuse américaine est tout proprement une perfection.
Madame Evert-Lloyd qui mène 3-1.
6-3, 3-1 pour Chris Evert-Lloyd. Qui l'eût cru avant cette finale? Aucune des deux joueuses
Bien joué. Ça passe, et oui.
De sortir.
Tout y passe. Cette fois-ci, c'est...